Digital signage is animating posters. It's not about technology, it's about content. And content is what gives people information, it entertains people, it makes people do things. It tells people where their flights are, it tells people where the trains are, it tells people about your buy one get one free. Brands are very anxious to get their brand in front of you when you're at the petrol station, when you're at the point of sale to buy your Mars bar and your lottery ticket. At Freehand, it's very easy because what we do, we take the pain out of delivering that solution. Being able to deliver a complete solution or a part complete solution, whether it's a managed service at one end or recommending hardware, software, network infrastructure, we can do all aspects of the digital signage solution. So I would say if you can contact us at an early stage when you're thinking about it, we can work with you, we can design a network and we can design a solution that meets your technical needs, your financial needs and also your clients' needs.